A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Nobody's chasing that. That's going to be a terrific four. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound at the bat. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Poor running between the wickets. Really poor. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. The bowler is looking furious. There's a short ball coming. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Yeah, that's very close, very close. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all.
Spider-Man.
Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Leg byes given by the umpire. No connection between bat and ball. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Umpire signals leg byes. It doesn't matter how the runs come as long as they're coming. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. End of the first inning won't be long before.
सुनो वो आ गया बैग आप तैयार हैं जल्दी आ जाइए
हाँ मैं आ गया स्पाइडरमैन
अरे वापस आओ
Before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. He didn't get any timing on that one. Overthrow. And batting team will get 4 bonus runs as well. But that's going to be 4 all right. Sweet timing. He's not going to miss out on those. Good shot for a single. Short leg in. Expect some short stuff from the bowler.
जल्दी आ जाइए।
हाँ मैं आ गया स्पाइडरमैन।
अरे वापस आओ।
Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman has played all around that one. Last ball coming up. Finds the fielder, couldn't find that gap. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.